Hey guys, welcome to Happy Foods channel. Today I am going to make sweet corn in 3 flavors. In a pan, add little water and sweet corn to it. We will cook it for just 2 minutes as the frozen sweet corn is already blanched. I am using Shuffle brand here. You can use any brand. Cover it. When water has evaporated, we will switch off the flame. Now in a bowl, we will take some butter. Add sweet corn to it. Make sure the sweet corn is always piping hot. Mix well till the butter melts. We will also add a little bit of salt. We will keep mixing till everything has incorporated well. So this is ready now. Now we will transfer this into a serving mug. I am using the same plastic serving mug which is used in theaters and streets to give it a proper street style sweet corn. Okay, now classic butter sweet corn is ready. Now we will take hot sweet corn in a bowl again. Add butter. Some chopped green chillies and coriander. You can adjust chilies as per taste. Now we will add then we will grate cheese over it. Okay, now we will again mix everything well. Make sure this time sweet corn is always hot. Now we will again transfer this into the serving mug. Cheese and chili sweet corn is ready. Now again in a bowl we will take sweet corn, the remaining sweet corn, and we will add butter, a little bit of salt, red chilli powder, chaat masala powder, lemon juice, roasted cumin powder we will also add. And now we will again give it a quick mix. And again we will transfer this into a serving mug. Masala sweet corn is ready. Enjoy sweet corn theater style or street style in 3 flavors at one go. We can serve this in whichever mold we like. If you like the video, please press the like button, share, comment and consider subscribing. See you. Bye.